Poco F1 is in the house and I can't bear the MIUI in this great device because of a few ads which can't be turned off and bloatware that cannot be uninstalled. So I flashed a Pixel Experience ROM and using it since a week. So here is my review of Pixel Experience Android Pie based ROM on Poco F1. As the company selling this device on the name of Snapdragon 845, let's talk about the performance first. After the first boot, I had to restart once because of some bugs. All the apps runs butter smooth and I'm telling you this ROM won't disappoint you in terms of performance. All the apps run smooth and fast and my gaming experience on this ROM is pretty decent. Of course I am talking about PUBG. There aren't any lags or frame drops until now. I noticed that when I am playing PUBG on highest graphics, it consumes a good amount of battery. Talking about battery life, I got around 5 hours of screen on time in first 2 cycles and now I am getting 7 hours of screen on time with moderate usage with 2 hours of PUBG and 4G networks all the time. And that's pretty good but not that great considering MIUI 10 was giving me 8 to 9 hours of screen on time. Talking of the display, there isn't a single app that supports the notch except for YouTube, but you can always hide it from the setting if you want notchless experience. With this ROM you will get all the perks of Android Pie like digital well-being which helps you control your usage time of particular app. Wi-Fi and hotspot can be turned on at the same time which is pretty good but in my case I never used it. The Google camera is pre-installed in this ROM with AR sticker included. Also it supports the night sight feature. The camera app is stable but slow motion doesn't work as of now. Enough of the pros, now let's talk about the cons. The IR scanner doesn't work at all in this ROM. You can always use trusted face from the Google which is less secure, so I suggest you to use fingerprint sensor which is faster and very accurate. Small bugs that I faced like icons overlay on the Google search which can be solved by restart, but no major bugs till now which makes it material of daily use. One thing I noticed is the sound of this ROM is a bit lower than what it was in MIUI 10. It's not like huge difference but I thought I should mention it. Okay, that sums up the video, but before we do that, here are the screenshot of benchmark score that we tested earlier on Geekbench and Antutu. Benchmark scores are pretty low compared to MIUI but trust me the performance is as good as it should be. If you have any question regarding this ROM, then comment section is there for you. Let me know what do you think about this video, subscribe for more such ROM videos in the future and we will see you guys next week.